We're nationally recognized. The White House, in fact, has recognized us as a model program when it comes to peer-to-peer financial counseling. It is really helpful for students to come in and meet with a peer, someone their age, because they can really connect. We can just kind of relate a little bit better because we're the same age and have similar experiences.
Before we start, we say, just so you know, this is free. It's also confidential, and confidentiality, I think, is huge too, because money is it's very emotional.
My sessions have been about budgeting and student loans. Those are kind of the main two topics that students really struggle with.
It's hard to control expenses, especially in college, because this is the time where students are leaving their home and really get a chance to start spending on their own without mom and dad kind of telling them what to do. I'd say the biggest question with student loans is, when do I have to start paying back, or when does the rubber meet the road there? And we look at kind of how much they have in loans, and we'll show them different repayment plans.
But we also answer a lot of questions about how to build credit, and then how to evaluate job offers and employee benefits for after graduation.
In the end, we don't tell them what to do, what the best option is. We mainly show them what they have and try to help them make the best decision by educating them.
We've helped thousands and thousands of students, and we can help you too.